Episode for GC News, Mema Obibia Akwawa, Ahadia latest and hot news, and Kwa Aramede Bremo. Erunti so when subscribe to channel dia bomodia say over subscribe. The way I say over click the subscribe button, you know. Now wa barely notification, you know. Where is our video for be upload, you know. When the first person once ebeka sa video. Afi we are na like video. Give us a thumbs up na afi share ma wo foforo so na we je bi hwe na wo hu esemo a ekoso garama mo ha no. Afi yembura ye esemo abeto yepno so yiti aye sa report ya ababa tudwa sansem yiti esemo ekoso yiti.
With the limited time now can afi Mama Hopeson intro the spotlight now the standoff between the IGP and the Ghana Police Service all over. Yeah. We a security person. How do you assessment about what is going on with the police and even signals I will pick me at the whistleblowers are what do you make of the IGP now? Good.
The Edikai say Obika say IGP George Akufo Dampare wa meyehwe na chese nipa no. It's not fair.
Yeah.
Oba ye wa ye adwuma wo hwe police omo headquarters ho siesie ne ne ka keka ho a wa bone ho modi ye pa. So on there. Yeah, can't the most can't say IGP or yes celebrity or TVC street nas cameras in so no you try life near the adina.
That's right.
Obia eme Akufo Dampare. Wapon homodin ye ba. But nesha honeson pa. Number one, the attitude towards work that is so bad. Look,
really?
Yewura Fourth Republic.
Yeah.
Dispensation bank. Anna Obaya IGP or Honomuno was it now? NC. Upiapa. Look, Amamona Yebuno.
You are watching Juicy News on YouTube. Hot news
security.
all time.
It is a president who lusugat kakrebi be asamato. Who lusugat kakrebi be asamato. So on that,
yeah.
Now, what's Ghana Police Service? Myanmar Air Koswa. And yet. Now, Dampare are breaking the chain of command in Ghana Police Service. It is a BBC, our Kojo Kyeremanteng. That's it. One phone and Fred Dampare, our headquarters, that thing cannot be solved. I didn't think necessarily do one. Now, the station officer is there. Your district commander, divisional commander, regional commander, and Sabah headquarters. Yeah. You cannot talk to any of this except Onongwa. Just road traffic, road traffic. Now, yes, we are driving on the shoulder near China. MTTD Director General only say, the regional commander only say, this is Dampare. Aden.
Yeah.
Aden, what police service no aswa. Just say with that one, no, Bibi anything. How can you run the police service like this? Papa Ama and the Ghana Police Service. So on the me catch now say, if the phone be break to Honoma, say Obehu Sadia will watch your pass, or baby and Waka.
Yeah, it is all tight lip. But in terms of
what junior staff were promoted to or more over the seniors. One particular region. Now, or the junior Kwakwaye regional commander. That the senior commander. That the senior deputy.
No, but that's
how can you achieve the AE? You cannot. You cannot. Look, your current national security coordinator, my boss, I salute you.
Yeah, Osman.
Well, market time 8 years. Drew said, "Say your man promotion or more money that." Oh, Manu. Anna ene. And this is winning election. No time promotion or not their border, but he say, "Oh, because
serious
power sister." That time he was seeing him say, "Why are this in?" It won't promote to no. And then, one the head of security. Now, Oba Betnana say, the one man no.
So we are also reducing the rank in
what? Me na make it.
And now, Tiwizwe. the bodyguard to the interior minister, Muktaka.
Yeah.
The bodyguard no so na IGP reduce Abrante's ranking na. Nti na wo ko Muktaka wa, wo ka to some bodyguard ni si wa.
I don't know about so. No,
I don't know why IGP has invited a lot onto him.
Why you sad me ma we nyina? Ene security briefing. Papa yi na be kwa preview president o. Ne ekoso wa hani, ne ekoso wa hani. Now, mujina all the security heads, mba betrand anim. Na mo so ma yedan, mo ma ne briefing.
Yeah.
Se Akufo Dampare ekokwetra national security coordinator anymore. Report Papa Ben Odebemano.
Asem no.
You are watching Juicy News on YouTube. Hot news all time.
Ada me die, me kase. Mahama, President Mahama should not delay. It doesn't matter.
Yeah.
He should not delay. As I said, Oko, look, this is not the first IGP. Obeko. Akufo Addo, the then IGP, not the simple. That's why you say proceed or leave.
Yeah.
Akufo free one Professor Mese baye. Proceed or leave.
In time.
Akufo Addo baye. Proceed or leave. Eti wo ti ho ye den. Hwe ne ya wo mu kra ne se. Na be ni wo ka say. IGP say it is alleged. Say opese or reshuffle the Puma. Police. Yes.
IGP.
Me na be ka kire. And the Interior Minister, Honorable Muntaka, should not allow this. He should not. Now, he is planning to do some kind of mass transfers. But who say we won't pay myself? But who say we will yes say? Me say, Interior Minister must not allow. The Vice President is the chairperson of the Police Council. She should not allow. And police in Penifoni more at develop attitude be a your friend sit down attitude.
Yeah.
Enti hey ade we e frato ba mi so mu ye. Wo so mu ye pe wanyasem. Enti e frato kra no what you no afodo ni am.
Service na ye as
me na make sure say Ghana police service is sick. Because of one person. Look, election time. Minimum police for na beka say more sympathize with MPP. Where the news? You are police for more sympathize with NDC. Or more sympathize. Look, enye ba ko enye bienu, enye 10, enye 20. Kosa minya ye no. Because of this man, we are going to vote for NDC. Check security. Elections, special voting. Check it.
Special voting.
And this is winning massive.
Across.
A police for you now say, Papa went you have a 20 MPP. I've got 20 MPP so. Now, now. Police for very vote too.
Serious, eh?
Mr. President, we are pleading with you. Ghana for 82 Miasha one, sir. Get someone now. Obama police service, the chain of command.
Yeah. Agree.
Adiesia, the station master should be able to deal with it. One timia will move to the district commander. District commander who say Esosena, what they are called division. Division they are called region. Answer about the headquarters.
Chain of arrangement
must be respected.
Police station to IGP. Direct, it must stop. It must stop. Look, me say, and Kwaku mini woka say, because of sa attitude, ama like Uber who's a police in the echo. What nam hodu mo awoko. Wa who pass adiwe no I say me check it. What be you to say who ye? All because of one person. That's a basa one of her. It is the government of the day. Would na image bedding ebe conform because a robbery also look at today and let me picture bia a sutifi a hodum yes ni montofobi a galamse phobia o mo call na me hu picture ba ko who say ya bonu tuo be 7 best 7 bullets, 1 person. Woman get you. Yes, so more your more, you know. Actually, say, now, in Profono Baku kita second, you know, obey me the second, extra police in How? Woman, Mon Tokwa. My year crap, a big crampo dear, or Mushu too, the chi. It means any panogranu, Granny. Yakunu, just like that. We don't care. It is alleged. Say extra judicial killings. So police headquarters.
What headquarters? Who?
Our police headquarters. Obia Yedin. Because of one man. Obia Dimingaza. Country bed here running.
He scary you.
No, country bed here running.
Our headquarters one.
Headquarters one gaza. I don't want it. I said, we go view our parliament. Side recordings in the adi.
Yeah.
I go more casafa extra judicial killings. Oh, want it.
Yeah.
Prophobia told me, I don't want to come with you. Yeah, finish what we know. Any adi. Why? Why can't we value life?
But yeah, share the personified no. The life is no. What was yes, Anna. Me who said I meant the IGP ni na mo want to be a very nice man, but ni munu I say yes, Anna ni amati. What did I mean?
When you be a friend of Markin.
Me who's have what?
What who matadi?
I
said the bomb is what. Let the bomb is what. Best is some matadi. I. When you many friends so net told you best is some gala. Nipa bi o hasa no mate.
Because it's so bizarre.
Okay, Sagana, ya je boat anka no kra. This country will not move forward. This country will not move forward. Say, who better who say, yes, we cry 1 year. We bet me be the IGP na wa shada fro. Oh, what do you hope saying Gaza? Now we'll record it. What the natural line also no.
And also your dear no. Recordings, basa.
You are watching Juicy News on YouTube. Hot news all time.
That time na wanya o de recordo wo yonko no na ka o de akwakọ recordo am robbers no mo tetete you know bi acheche wo na society no so aye dey aye free kadra but Akufo Dampare will not do that. Wono ne de ne say ade fire mefa so a be yi. Look, there are a lot of allegations about misappropriation of funds. They say provident fund bi just say eko na say when we say police for omoya wasabium omo big huge money omo dey yasa de no
the Ghana forces near celebrate it
wa hefa
maintain so
omo say Ghana kwa di baabi esi so omo twetwam omo ko peacekeeping omo sika eba yesi afa baabi yesi welfare money afa baabi
yeah police welfare
Saturday when you na eba do you think say a police for no be from okumam no mo dey adwuma ye kan sabe me IGP be ni a personal issue but adia ebeboa oman no ese say ye nyina ye so dey make sure say aboa oman
yeah
that the president na nka sampo no wo 4 years pe wo anamewa
papa
4 years no so e koto abana say wo lusu a wo lusu anamewa so who appoint obi na wo se bioma bi nkoyi a ese say o make sure omo ana da bia se ye change ni de omo logos ni eden
wanam
omo ensese ensesa ni ne ye gai ga ho
wanam
phobia omo so omo na ye security expert ni adia
ya me mo bi eti yo and some yeah
Randy omo akwa GTV station ba ko the questions brofo brofo this I didn't know look, we need to speak the truth. Then you making sure say yeah mine I say we be our junior. Ni a promote no be 3 times.
I know that mean
no assign the seniors in the
ama wo mu a police respect wo police I call for more morale e go down.
Last be me kwa yi na ye ko ho before elections. Ana on say ala convoy na me na me lead convoy. Naneja meba ye odo aba be drew office ya frame. Ba twa saria tu ma me kwa na nkrofo no omo tuka di machi. Mwajirami. And I'm saying, Bawumia ni chwe company nachi.
That's right. Now
this is me catch up. This is Alan's lead convoy.
That's right.
Me Kwaku Fadi ye ko baby. But you don't know this year kwa ya am say ha. Me I am not going. Me catch up. No. Me catch up. This is election period.
That's right.
Me candidate to come baby am Kwaku Fadi about say dey.
Yeah.
Na so full soldiers class say ya mo to be stop no. Me say money adi money en kwa la ho. Ye duru ho no mo kan che ne say mo ache be me ne mo befo.
Aye. Told you enim.
Wo mo jira ho na wo mo kwa da me say ye be da. Ye move. Me ti become wo mo so jira ho. Wo jira ho okay wo de wo kwa no am report to. Na me see you na me tu ya na me boy. You see that kind of before then. Sabe badam bi dia yidu musa. In fact na me na Gempa road no so. Traffic near take pa. Make kind police cars back 11. Ah wo mo twam. 11 so o mo yes.
Hazard lights.
The o twam walk o gina ho o twam anu. Emra ben. E de massa kwan no.
So me security agent.
No, Emra ben. Apart from say mo chase obi mo ye yi no. Nipa no who say normal wo go aduma. Waso hala ye ka say hazard. Anu o de ko. So me candidate twam me go baby. 11 chairman am slow. Let me also go because near mode kodo me kita bi. Me kita la bi me kita sare ni bi. Eti yakọ. No what to the be chairman say mo ga de job no we ye. Oko Europe there is nowhere. Police ni be ka say high park here ma park here. And the young police ni be hu a obeja no. Obeche no. Unza. It is a selective justice no. E ma ye nkoye ni. Ye ka say Ananka that time who said Bawumia boy she be Peter Kado mu twam a wonche no ho ba beche me
yeah
enya dwuma oh no afre ana asese ekọ ayi ana mse me ofre Dampare ba I am not moving ana yesa mbubu mi dompe because you to be able to be mercy for Martin. We are police for the only thing I will respect in Saturday na show no wo chef mufti amebu.
That's right.
So yeah. And yes, because when more grow once akola chengri bi radina go na we shut the way what kasane ne attitude and me catch no me say boss this is Ghana Police Service. It's no more Ghana Police Force. Eti service na wo mu no say won ti ase a go back to training me catch no me say wo beti masre no wache me de makoda wo sre ade na kire say yes we police ni na ne wo ya kunta because of Dampare me emphasize self no ma me so I just say me above the law but one kasa mu gina ho kasi twam wanche na me twam di a wo say but asamo abike say sample abrante ochini ba wo say Ochiniba.
Okay. Ochiniba. No, so around.
Oh yeah. Sasira college. Na say oh yeah. TV, Facebook, TV.
Okay.
Yeah. Home board oba. Robert. I say na hope see there much ni say. That is on there. Okoye. That me no more hard man. I'm say no. Me say adi we yamfa ndi me. Once me di yimu mahu sa de no. Just say boapa yen so. Look. Hwe. Alan Kyeremanteng actual letter command IGP as a presidential candidate.
Yeah.
We hear motorcade.
Woman is saying.
Wamano motorcade. Me say.
Dampare.
I was the lead convoy for Alan.
It's Yama Alan motorcade.
Wamano.
I'm hearing this news.
Me dem sofo bi okumasi a wokita moto mienu.
Na
FPP sofo. Wokita moto mienu. Wokosara danfo a moto ba ku bedi ka akọ. No akọ ye survey. Na ba ku di na ni hwehwehwe no mo de aba. Sofo. Wokita moto mienu. Presidential candidate, potential president. Say be here moto ba ko ede me be call rounds. Wama. Na wo bedo o man say ya eyeye.
Good. Who build on my say
say President Mahama and his appointees should know say some person on security is solid. Look, do a reshuffle right now. you should get your own IGP to man the security for you.
Good.
Other than that, a police phone be send their buffon and their face him. Because
that's dangerous.
Emotional. Papa no omo peno, omo ntimi nko twene free ho. Enti no omo de omo vote. Ebe pamono, omo de wo ba, said the be obesesa no, e de aba omo. Wo ba ya wo say dey, what draw.
Wow.
Hey, me dey futu. O fa, fine. One fa. Me dey. The sister make out my head.
Good one, folks. For 1 second, that's right. That's right.
Proceed.
Good one.
Good one. Now, on the issue of James and the Chief Justice, there is a process.
That's right.
Matisse will be a petition president. And the petition will be forwarded to the Chief Justice. Chief Justice best set up committee. Say no more recommendations as a new and the president Betty Mamma Bediatuo.
That's right.
No more in Pafo. Sape Chief Justice and so their war processor.
That's right.
And near Kaikam. The big Kajinani say, yeah, more than rescue this country.
Yeah.
So sit down attitude na Ababeshe police form penny form.
Yeah.
The only thing we can do away with it. Say a change IGP the new IGP.
Yeah.
I will be cancer microphone in a boom. Say Obabe reshuffle and Pumadi. They say Honorable Muntaka don't agree. Don't. Honorable Chief of Staff don't agree.
Good.
Mr. President, Madam Vice President don't agree.
Good.
And yes, sir. Oba Benoko heads. And that heads no Benoko will go against you.
Good.
Will go against you.
Yeah. Will go against you, said Hopeson Adorye, Director of Special Duties Movement for Change, Alan Kyeremanteng. Ministers designate. Many movement for change said yeah. Momo supervisor with appointment said yeah really womo common some near the day. Yeah, media vote here they go from movement for change. So far, Moshe and Yoma move you citizen.
Oh, never cancer so far so good.
Good.
I think president is within time.
That's right.
Osha Sabreya appointments are by and deputy Sabacam. I'm Sakam Yunupembona, where we in the system. Say a super pencil there. Let's just say, or you're within time. Now, Osha vetting no more coin. In fact, Omunina epe for more creditably. I have a say Omabo Muhammad a year, especially we the regional ministers in the film now share the substantive ministers in a Omubabe form cabinet. What you must say, Bebrena Ebomudi, Muhammad.
That's right.
Now, we share Obitisa Sam George and Okudzeto Abrakwa. I mean, maybe all you go, me to Chairman Sam George. Or yeah, outstanding a mommy in terms of the vetting, the way of comporting the answers.
That's right.
The knowledge, the food now or colonia the other, who say what you are doing.
Because now communication committee in Ukraine or moved as far as parliament.
That's no a ranking member.
That's right.
What you know, say what you must what you say. And now we jina sebema.
That's right.
At me at defend. Likewise, Okudzeto Abrakwa. Honestly, so born homody. I just say, Bibia, Epo, Kama. Na Adeba Kwa Mestre, Speaker of Parliament in Nimpeni for Monshe. Empo, Ebia never call beyond him. Constitutional Review Committee, Ababe, ya no great omi. Yeah, Nia Penny, Prempe, Edanu.
Yeah.
Monshe. Na sa separation of powers in the Shukam. Yeah, more the answer about the meant from the executive. Number 2, vetting process, or
yeah.
The convention we are ranking member, what they all unlimited questions, it doesn't make sense.
Yeah.
It doesn't make sense. How can you say that? It is because of what? 3,000 questions of babies are. Now every day, every baby just 100 questions are. Are we not going for 30 days? One person.
Yeah, one person.
What kind of this nonsense? Unlimited, can I say?
Yeah.
That's so much normal to look. Committee member, be some more 3 questions. Now, why you follow up? to a question.
Yeah.
Follow up no gra na say ankwanko yes a question na na fan grace yeah. That is your second question. Any other. It's a limit wo at most committee member bia no betima aye the question and the follow up no be 6. It is all your ranking member. Yeah, no, even 6 times 10.
That's right.
Say 60.
Sir.
60 no within 30-40 minutes no. Ubetima wie. Let's just assemble the nasem ko. Wo hwe saveti ya eko ya. How can a ranking member, minority leader, would you new asem? In less than 10 minutes, no asorico. Oh, would you new asem? 30 minutes, no asorico. Nobody was where you didn't know asem. And the asem down in the wall.
Yeah.
Eh? A Jumana or Kwaku. And then you see to a man. Look, who follows a way? Okudzeto, Sam George, and Yadi. Minority leader, question Bepa will be say in connection. With a Juma Kwaku.
Yeah.
Nijina ye campaign. Yeah. So that yeah. Ana go control we, ana go attack we, ana go yesi. Look, in this country, Afenyo Markins is attacking Ubida on the campaign platform. What are we talking about? It is a yeah campaign will be a yeah or make a political statement. I don't know if I you home. What be said in Pano was say me attack ye me criticize no. What did I yaba wa kenkai was say yes. And you follow up to Sadia we are is here and the guy go. That's how cost one I say Sabio non for questions and one. I mean I think they enjoy it.
But we show almost standing in standing orders and so as far as Afenyo is concerned, Afenyo has no limitations in terms of probing. So he can ask us many questions.
Nah, chairman angasa not you way.
Well, so no so
it is a bisa 200 questions. That chairman so guys maybe 300 questions as well. So it doesn't make sense. It doesn't make sense. Sir, unlimited, they should change it.
Yeah.
Wasting Ghana for United. No, everybody was interested. So obetie nipano. The competence in the BB and the obeti media bar on board. Now what you want now go bisa. I mean,
but do you think that BBA taking the shine of the veteran and I say it's still intact?
Oh, intact. Unfortunate situation is here and they say Ababa Mesinko. ABC 2021 January 6.
Yes.
Obianka Wasem. Always say Etwaso. Eti Speaker of Parliament, Bonabaso. Some steps now we take here. Hey, and Profono was suspending almost all Monday or Mamalu. I don't know or one casa feel heat, So many and Ade. I just say Bibia, Etimi, Atutonu Quemoa, or Mabe Pacho, Amana, I left And Media, Koku, may I have some belief we say, Joe Mahama, a pine, Sagana Fujinadi in 5 water energy, they will perform. Media, I can tell you that for a fact. Oshe Sam George ni kasa mu nneema opese wo ye ni de kai ka ho a then me hu say what tweet say sa fake news ni misinformation and disinformation ya de ade nyina no very soon about the thing of the past so ne because it's say no ho NCA 4 year juma cyber security 4 year juma na say me ye they should be able to yes Hopeson Adorye ni apeke me na mra no any wedi.
Yeah.
Eti why should you do that?
Also for a long time.
Yeah. Look. Share ene. In the name of prophecy. So for we go kwetena ada amasi wuye.
Yeah.
Owu ahomache. Be 2-3 a.m.
Yeah.
Then the boss say na news need abontin by 8 o'clock. Na my wife will release statement on that. So for BT TikTok say ofri Kumasi bedru be say 9. No bedru ya no dware straight and call empaso. And no die no. Ni ohun ye ni. Say na me reti form no su. I said him me be. Nanu ye. I said him me ebe wo said him me ewu.
I said.
Na o kasa na no. Na chese. Ni ohun ya ne say na wari nyina.
Hey,
meet here you know first. Say, what is this? the very day na nipa na wuna de ato abonten no wakotena TikTok between 11 a.m. to 12 wo kasa so so kodayo na daye a waso no efa prophecy ho ben no wa ye na for mo de me wife pictures atoto na eko medina ko mama police for akwa
yeah aswana maybe
police for akwa media ko police me say look we are going to use the cyber security law section 35 now won't even publish or be picture with that in the religion no yet no ko me say o prepare ye court e was sad no you see we must stand firm and then end some of this rubbish ya na koso so for no kasa so no the one na iri ajayo anu akofa yonga bi ne netie wo beti ba hu obi prophecy say obi onne ne kunu ti aware ase
anyway
I am telling you, say, Nyama ebetimi.
I see. So, movement for change. You have the beliefs.
Yeah, you will believe.
They won't disappoint you.
You will believe. We say, ye jina ye de empire etai NDC abanyachia. They will do well. But can studio has said several times. Say, this country. Nyankopon de ashe John Forson
very
yeah that vetting kakra every John call na no ye nyina ye hu asotwe Nyankopon de twe ada Ghana fo Asante John aba etimi de me say chese ni pada Nyankopon wo magana no ebeba wo Ghana na wo president dia okosu af David o nda fa John ka otimi
din ye fa John ka
wan fa John ka hu dia ani asamato
we bibisa wo consider bibisa
yeah na presidential ni medi so say John I want many to the Aremeyaw David mo gab the John be ga ho John Hopeson
e janya bad so yaw I change back. Good one, folks.
You wait for waiting and somewhere about beto yepono so Mikao says so when you subscribe to channel idea Bomodia say over subscribe say had latest and hot news and kwa enamede bro afi we na wa like video and give us a thumbs up na fi share ma wo foforo so na when you be here na wo hu and somewhere ekoso Ghana me mo hanum also betimi atchere wadwen afa yen some we nyira ho wo comment box ni mu mo beti menka bio in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.